How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to talk about a common question that I get when it comes to auto insurance here in Michigan, and that is, what is the difference between full coverage and PLPD, also known as liability-only insurance? Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your family, or your business, and overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. First, let's start with PLPD. This stands for personal liability and property damage. And again, as I mentioned, is commonly referred to as liability-only insurance. PLPD covers the damage that you cause to other people or their property in an accident. However, it does not cover any damage to your own vehicle. PLPD is typically the minimum auto insurance coverage that is required by the state here in Michigan. Now, on the other hand, full coverage. First, there's no true full coverage. What people commonly refer to as full coverage really just means that your auto insurance policy will include physical damage coverage for your own vehicle as well, which is comprehensive and collision coverage. So a quote-unquote full coverage policy will include everything that PLPD has, plus the physical damage coverage for your own vehicle. Collision coverage will help pay for the damages and repairs to your vehicle if you are involved in an accident with another vehicle, and this is regardless who is at fault. And comprehensive coverage protects against non-collision incidents like theft, vandalism, fire, or any natural disasters or weather. So when does PLPD make sense? If you're driving an older vehicle that is not worth much, you might opt for PLPD coverage to save on your insurance costs. Since the value of your car is low, paying the insurance costs for full coverage might not make sense. But there are certain situations where full coverage is 100% necessary. If you are driving a newer or more valuable car, having physical damage coverage on that vehicle is very important to protect that investment that you made. And if you have a loan or a lease on the vehicle, the lender is almost always going to require that you do carry full coverage. But it is important to consider the cost differences between these two options. PLPD is generally less expensive than having full coverage. But again, with PLPD, you are getting less protection. So if your car is totaled, you would have no coverage for that. So in the long run, having PLPD, you may save a little bit on insurance premium, but you are running the risk of getting into an accident and not having coverage for your own vehicle. And also, if you are concerned about lowering your insurance premium, I highly recommend that you look into bundling your auto insurance with your home, condo, or renter's insurance policies. Almost every insurance company out there does give a significant discount when you have multiple policies with them. And also, working with an independent agent that has access to multiple insurance companies can also help lower your costs if you're used to dealing with a captive insurance company where the agent only has access to one insurance carrier. But overall, when it comes to choosing between PLPD and full coverage, it will ultimately come down to your individual situation. It will be up to you to determine the balance between the insurance costs, the value of the vehicle, your ability to pay repair or replacement costs for the vehicle if it's in an accident, all of those factors that we just discussed to determine what option is right for you. So, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about your auto insurance here in Michigan, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if we can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they will all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether that's personal insurance, commercial, whatever it may be, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.